In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer on Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage. Click Create, then use the search bar to look for flyers. This pulls up designs sized specifically for flyers, so you're starting with the right canvas right away. Before you jump into designing, choose your size. The standard portrait option is 8.5 by 11 inches, which is perfect for most posters and handouts. If your layout works better horizontally, switch to landscape. You can also set custom dimensions, like A5 or A6, if you're designing for different regions or want a smaller handout. Pick what fits your purpose and where the flyer will be seen. Next, pick a template as your starting point. Browse categories like business, party, or real estate to find a layout that matches your vibe. Templates are completely customizable, so focus on structure and overall style rather than the exact content. Select one that has a layout that makes your message easy to scan. Now, customize the visuals. For images, either upload your own in the Uploads tab or search Canva's library in Elements. Drag images onto the page and use crop or positioning to frame them nicely. If you need quick polish, try Magic Studio tools. Magic Edit can swap an object in a photo like changing a product color, while Magic Eraser removes distractions in the background. Subtle tweaks go a long way, so aim for clean and consistent visuals. If you have brand assets, apply your brand colors and drop in your logo. Pro users can use the brand kit to instantly apply brand fonts and palettes to keep everything on message. Time to add content. Click existing text boxes to edit the headline, body copy, and contact details. Keep body text at 10 points or larger for readability. Often 12 to 16 points works great, with headlines much larger. Choose fonts that complement each other, one for headings, one for body text, and maintain strong contrast between text and background. Use hierarchy to guide attention. Make the most important detail, like a sale or event date, the largest and boldest element. Place key info high on the page, keep spacing generous, and align elements so the layout looks intentional and easy to scan. When you're happy with the design, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital sharing, like email or social posts. For printing, select PDF Print for the sharpest results. Save your file, do a quick preview, and you're ready to share or send to the printer. That's it. Thanks for watching.